up, everybody? This is the moment we've all been waiting for. If you saw our earlier videos talking about our 2025 performance bagger build for Customs Kicking Cancer, this is our big unveiling of it. We've held out until Friday, starting day of the rally, August 1st, getting ready to show Dan and Katie, the owners and founders of CKC, their new performance bagger. This is truly, I feel like, my best work to date. We're really proud of this. All my guys, my painters, coaters, polishers, everybody that had a hand in this motorcycle that helped make it what it is, man, we're extremely proud of this bike, and we cannot wait to see the reaction that we get from the owners as well as from you guys.
I'm Dan Lucas, Customs Kicking Cancer.
And I'm Katie Delvin with Customs Kicking Cancer.
Very small idea. They've shown us very little. I'm told it's going to be quite amazing. Customs Kicking Cancer was an idea that Katie and I came up with about 3 years ago. We were pretty moved. My father's been fighting prostate cancer for 15 years. We really wanted to spread awareness, do something about it. We said we need to start getting the mission out here and creating the blue wave, so to speak. And we got together. She was on board, so we started Customs Kicking Cancer, not only for my dad, but for the 3.5 million men in the United States living with prostate cancer.
What we do is we go around to the motorcycle rallies, which we think is a demographic that could use our help. And we give out free in-home PSA tests to those that don't have insurance and to those who may not want to go to the doctor because it's a vulnerable topic. And so that's what we do, and we go around promoting it.
Well, we were here representing the charity last year. We were pretty small scale at that point. It's really been the last year that we've had a ton of growth. We've really doubled down in the charity. That's why we have our inaugural charity ride this year at Sturgis, leading out of the Iron Horse Saloon. But last year was our first year for the charity at Sturgis, and then at Daytona in February, and really promoting the charity and pushing the cause. Look at this, look at this. Wow. Oh, you gotta see this side. Oh my gosh, look at all the gold leaf and the silver leaf. Wow, this is freaking, this is incredible, man. You crushed it.
Always.
Crushed it. There's Sonic. Wow.
I love these. I don't know what that is.
That's the brake rotor.
Oh.
I'm speechless. I don't know where to start. Man, that is absolutely incredible. Everybody. Killer job, man. Killer job.
Hey, you got it, buddy.
Man, that's one of the baddest paint jobs.
Thank you.
Yeah, you got it. See what's on the spokes of the wheel?
What's that? Oh,
CKC
the mustache.
drag in the wheel.
Stop it.
Yeah, over here.
Oh my.
Yeah. This is badass too.
There's no shit, there's probably 40 hours of taking just on the Cerakote, not what Jeremy did.
An entire week's worth of painting for something?
This is all freaking,
Polished.
I love them. Wait, where's the oil can?
this all polished. Whole motor's polished. Man, I love this. That is such a cool touch,
My guys
man.
are like, oh, it's cool, it's got a mustache, that's gonna get hot. I said, it's free mustache rides for everybody.
I'm thinking, I know where that's gonna land.
I love because it's all so subtle. It's not that, and then the mustache in there. You know, it's just a perfect, but it's not.
It's not over the top of it.
Yeah, it's not gaudy.
I'm Jeremy from Strict Design.
And what part in this bike did you play?
I made the nice blue colors and gold leaf and make it all flashy looking.
Very cool.
I'm Frank, speed dealer. We made the swing arm and subframe for this beautiful bike.
Very cool. Turned out
Be part of
fantastic. But not about this project. Sir, please introduce yourself.
I'm Jeff with Fox Suspension, and we have a set of our QS3 QSR adjustable shocks on this bike.
You've known Coleton for a little bit, right?
Yeah, we met over a bike project, and they debuted the Fox bike last year at Sturgis for us. And it was a debut much like this. I had not seen the bike at all until it was finished here.
Doing unveils, selling bikes, doing invoices. Could be worse. Sturgis, baby. Could be worse.
It's tough to put into words, really. Trying not to be choked up. The amount of people in the industry, some of the best builders and best people in the industry just really got behind the mission and got behind the charity. The mission was to build the baddest performance bagger we could make to get the charity on center stage, and they just stepped up and they crushed it. I'm really having a tough time putting it into words. It's an emotional time.